saying, can we take the hadith as a source of tashri'ah? Because we found that many subjects, they were clarified in the hadith, not in the Holy Quran. Not mentioned in the Holy Quran.
No, there is not a single subject which Rasulullah ﷺ has spoken about which does not have its seed in the Holy Quran. This has been my claim throughout, and I challenge the whole world. They cannot take out a single verse of the Holy Quran which is not well understood by Rasulullah ﷺ and has been conveyed into his hadith. And there is no hadith which does not have its seed in the Holy Quran. That is why once Hazrat Aisha was inquired about the conduct or seerat of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and she said, "Kana khuluquhul Quran." So that is the last word. Kana khuluquhul Quran.